The intake gasket creates a sill between the carburetor and the isolator. The gasket usually only needs to be replaced when it is removed as part of another engine repair. If the gasket is torn when it is removed, it must be replaced. A leak in the intake gasket will allow extra air into the cylinder. This will cause the engine to run lean, which will lead to scarring on the piston and the cylinder, and eventually a seized engine. Replacing the intake gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by unscrewing the thumb screw and removing the air filter cover. Now remove the air filter. With the filter removed, I have access to the screws that secure the carburetor. I'll go ahead and remove them. I'll remove the air filter base and the carburetor. Now I can remove the intake gasket. To install the new intake gasket, first, I'll thread the screws from the air filter base back through the carburetor. Then I'll place the intake gasket over the screws, and now I can secure this assembly back onto the engine. Now reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And now you know how to install an intake gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.